Hi guys, it's the Sciencebarbie. Today we're going to calculate the inverse of a 2x2 matrix. We have the matrix A, which has the entries 3, 2, 1 and 1. So this would be A, B, C and D. And the inverse of the matrix is inferred by calculating 1 divided by the determinant of A times A, dA, and here we have minus B and minus C. So we just here swap these two positions and here they get a negative sign. Now first let's calculate the determinant of matrix A. So the determinant of A is A times B is 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1. 3 minus 2 is 1, which also means we can infer the inverse of this matrix. Now let's do this. Now the inverse A to the power of minus 1 equals now 1 divided by 1 is 1. Let's write it down once. Times, now we put D here on top. D is 1 and A here. And minus B and minus C. So it's minus 2 and minus 1. If we write it down again, 1 by 1 divided by 1 is 1, so we only have 1, minus 2, and 3 for the inverse of matrix A. And of course, we want to prove that this is correct. This is correct. Oh, I'm sorry. The inverse of the matrix means that A times A to the power of minus 1 equals the identity matrix. So if I multiply a matrix with its inverse, I will get the identity matrix. And let's try this really quick. Applying Fox scheme. Probably you've seen one of my videos before, then you've heard of Fox scheme. So we take here A to the power of minus 1. It's 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 3. And here matrix A was 3, 2, 1, and 1. Okay. That's Fox scheme here. This is A times A inverse. Okay, let's try. 1 times 3 is 3, minus 2 is 1. Here we start. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, plus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And here we got minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Now that's the identity matrix that we wanted to have. And therefore we proved that this is correct. And this is the inverse of matrix A.
Das war ein Mathematik-Tutorial der Sciencebarbie. Jedes Like und Abo des Kanals freut uns sehr. Für Feedback und Kommentar nutzen Sie die Kommentarfunktion.